I thought of a good way to store my cylinders and ribbers. I do the tape ministry for our church, or the CD ministry, and so I always save these containers because I use them for a lot of things. I'll use this part to put little scraps of trash in it, or I'll put a ball of yarn that I don't want to flop around on the floor. So I found a lot of uses for these things. But I was trying to figure out a way to stack my my cylinders, and I thought about these, and they're almost the perfect size for the cylinder. And you'll see where I cut this one off, and I'll show that in a minute. But the cylinder fits perfectly in the base of this thing, and they all come with usually some little disc like this, and I save those also. I don't know why, I've never used them until now, but the spindle here was too small to fit the ribber on, so I cut it down just enough to put this little disc on there, and then I put the ribber on top, and then you can lock the has little locking slots in there to turn that, and I can't do it because the camera's in the way, but you'll see I have this one locked down right there. I can pick it up. The only thing I had to do, because I wanted this dowel in here to keep the ribber from sliding around, but there's a hole on the bottom of this spindle thing, and so I just taped it up so the dowel wouldn't fall through. But I can stack the CD containers on top of each other once I lock that one down, and they stack perfectly, and I can make labels for them. So how I measured for to where to cut the spindle was I just put my cylinder in there like that. I'm sorry, I used the lid for something else, but I marked where to cut the spindle off, but I left a little bit of a lip so that these discs would hold on. So now you can get more than one ribber stacked on top, but you can't get two cylinders in here. This is a CD container that holds 100 CDs. So if I wanted to stack two ribbers together, I would have to put some sort of a little spacer in there because this sticks up. So what I would do is just put a little spacer in there like that, and then just put another ribber. So it'll hold a couple of ribbers plus a cylinder in that one container.